Hi! In the video you will overview fuse diagrams, discover fuse box locations inside your car, and learn any fuse and relay assignments. Location of fuse boxes, fuse diagrams, and their assignments may vary depending on the year of manufacture, country, and vehicle equipment. Passenger compartment. Fuse box. Location. Photo. Diagram. Assignment. Engine compartment. Fuse box. Location. Photo. Diagram. Designation. Fuse box. Photo. Diagram. Assignment. Full information about all fuses and relays is on our website. Follow the link in video description. We will answer any question on the website. If you like that video, please thumb it up and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned and not to lose this video.